What if the future of the iPhone completely changes everything we're used to? That's exactly what's being talked about right now, and it's not just some random rumor. It comes from a trusted tech insider, Mark Gurman, who has a strong track record when it comes to Apple news. He's revealed that Apple is planning something big for 2027, which also marks the 20th anniversary of the first iPhone. According to him, Apple is working on two new models that could redefine what an iPhone looks and feels like. One of them being Apple's very first foldable iPhone, and the other a bold new Pro version with a completely different design. Let's talk about the foldable iPhone first. Apple has stayed away from the foldable trend for years, even though brands like Samsung and Motorola have been pushing foldable devices for a while. But Apple has always taken its time to get things right before launching something new. And if this foldable phone is really coming in 2027, it could be the biggest change since the iPhone X introduced the edge-to-edge screen. The idea of a foldable iPhone is exciting for a lot of reasons. It would give users a much larger screen without making the device feel bulky. You can have a tablet-like experience when the phone is open, but still keep it pocket-sized when folded. It could change the way people use apps, especially for multitasking or even for gaming and video editing. But knowing Apple, they'll only launch it when the design, durability, and software are all polished and ready. The second device that Gurman mentioned is just as interesting, a new kind of Pro iPhone. While we don't know everything about it yet, what's been said is that Apple is working on a design that uses a lot more glass. That could mean a new kind of transparent or semi-transparent look, or maybe just a very sleek and modern finish that hasn't been done before. Apple already uses titanium in its iPhone 16 Pro, so this could be another step toward making the iPhone feel even more high-end and futuristic. This new Pro model might not only look different, but it could feel different in the hand too. Apple has always focused on keeping their designs clean, simple, and premium, so this could be their next move in keeping things fresh without losing the Apple feel that people love. At the same time, there's also talk about Apple shaking up its lineup with a new model called the iPhone 17 Air. It might replace the current Plus model and offer something lighter, possibly thinner, while keeping the larger screen. If that's true, then 2027 might bring more variety than ever before, giving users more styles and sizes to choose from. But all of this new design and tech will likely come at a higher cost. Foldable phones are already among the most expensive phones available, and a foldable iPhone could easily go beyond that. On top of that, Apple may also have to deal with added tariffs, which could push prices even higher. Reports say Tim Cook tried to avoid these added costs, but wasn't successful. That could mean big price jumps, especially for these premium models. Some rumors suggest the iPhone 17 Air might start at around $1,200 even before any extra fees or upgrades. So if you're planning to get one of these next-gen iPhones, it might be smart to start saving early. These devices are expected to offer major improvements and style upgrades, but they're not going to be cheap. Still, that probably won't stop Apple fans from lining up to buy them. If you're excited about what's next, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on future Apple products.